Alright, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So I've got a new wig for you from LuvMe Hair. So if you are interested in this beauty, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so first off, I just want to show you the box that it comes in and everything that comes with the wig. You get a brochure, wig cap, and then this cute little pouch that holds a couple of things such as a comb, and you get a extra band, some clips. You also get tweezers, some bobby pins, and a wax stick, which is great for flyaways that I absolutely love. So here is the wig. It is a 12-inch lace front curly wig. It does come with a strap already, so an elastic band, which is perfect. I'm so happy companies are starting to do this. And you do get 3 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back with an adjustable strap. So here is the hairline, you guys. You will need to go in and pluck this hairline and customize it to make it fit you, to make it as, as natural as possible. Here is just a different view for you so you can see how much plucking and customizing you will need to do. But from here, you guys, I just do my normal way of applying my wigs. I take some Got to Be Glued in the yellow bottle, put that on my hairline, and then here I'm just gonna blow dry it down and then pull out the freeze spray and top that off with a little freeze spray, and then blow dry the hairline down, of course. So you will see a little bit of lace, like I didn't go in as much as I should have, and I actually did that on purpose. So you see the lace around there, and I know it needs to be closer to the hairline as far as, cutting it off closer to the hairline. But again, I did that on purpose for a reason. So yeah, so here I'm just taking my hot comb. I actually went through like 3 different hairstyles before I decided to just wear it down. I wanted to do something different, but I think this wig is just meant to wear down unless you got like some real skill. But yeah, I just went on ahead and used my hot comb to flatten out the front a little bit, and then took a little bit of mousse to put the curl back in, and then styled as normal. So as far as the wig itself goes, it is constructed very nice, and you guys, the hair on this wig is so thick and so soft. I was very surprised. Typically whenever it comes to like shorter wigs, or like bob wigs or whatever you want to call it, the hair isn't as thick, but I love this wig with 150% density. It just makes it look so full. Well, it is super full, but I don't know, it just feels really full, really soft, and it was actually very easy to work with as far as styling it and getting the curls to pop. So it doesn't need much. This is a very minimal wig, which is right up my alley. So if you're not very good at styling or anything like that, or just don't have the time to do it, this would definitely be a really great option for you. So if you're a mom on the go, a teacher on the go, just whatever, a woman on the go, and just want to look nice at all times without putting in that much effort, this would be a great option. So keep on watching, you guys. I will be right back with my final thoughts on this wig from LuvMe Hair. So I just wanted to come on here really quickly and just give you guys kind of my final thoughts now that I have styled this wig the way that I wanted it. I actually did not show on camera, but it took me forever to style this wig, you guys. I'm just not used to wearing like short curly hair like this all the time, and I didn't want to just wear it down, so I wanted to do something a little bit different. But I think this hair is just meant to wear down because I was in the struggle. Yeah, so a couple things, actually just 2 things that I really want to stress and point out about this wig is that the hairline, you guys, this wig would have been so much better if the hairline came like at least plucked a little bit, like just a little bit more. So if you are new, if you are a beginner wig wearer, I don't think this wig is for you unless you are ready to take the next step when it comes to plucking wigs. I actually did take some time to pluck some hair, but I'm actually going to go back in and really take my time to pluck a little bit more on this wig, because they give you so much hair and so much hair in the front. It's kind of like a good and a bad thing. It's not so great if you just want something that you could just pop on and it's kind of ready to go, but it's still good because even if you are new or you want to start getting into plucking and really customizing your hairline, this is going to be a great wig for that, because they give you so much hair and it's good soft hair too. But anyways, they give you so much hair, I don't think you're going to have a problem if you mess up or anything like that. So I'm definitely going to go back in at a later date, hopefully, and pluck some more of this hairline. I did have to cut a little bit of the back, and I don't think this wig is supposed to be a bob wig. Let me check though. Yeah, no, it's not supposed to be a bob wig. It's just a curly lace front wig. So I did cut off, like you see this right here, I feel like that can go even like a little bit more. Let me see. I normally don't pull and cut, but so I did. See, I just think that looks that just looks a little bit better than how it was. It was kind of like the short hair, and then the back was just a little too long. So yeah, just a couple snips, that's all it took, which is fine. So I mean, really, you guys, I think this wig it already kind of has its style. You can wear it side part, middle part. Of course, you can do other things with it. So if you're not great at styling hair, this wig is kind of already styled for you because it is curly hair, so you don't have to put any heat into it. I did use my hot comb just to flatten out the front a little bit, but you don't have to do that either if you just use a little bit of setting lotion like I typically do in all my videos. I just use setting lotion in the beginning and then wrap it down so that it stays flat. So I probably should have did that to this wig. I just wanted to switch it up for a second, and I did that. And I'm actually, you guys just don't know, I actually was really like nervous about this one. I was like, I don't think this is gonna look good on me. I don't know what to do with it. I want to do something different, and I'm just kind of like, I don't know, I just think it works. So if you're looking for a very easy, clean, minimalistic type of look, this look is going to be good for you. One other thing I wanted to point out before I go is they give you a lot of hair. The density on this wig is 150% density, you guys, and I feel like it's more than that. Like, typically when you get short curly like wigs like this, sometimes you get them and they're a little bit thinner than you like them to be, but this is not one of those wigs at all. This is a lot of hair, which is a good thing. That is a really good thing. So that is awesome. Good job, LuvMe hair. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or comments or anything like that, please put them down below. You know I'll answer you. Until then, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.